What happens when the future of music is co hosted by the future of voice? Today, we're diving into the game changing launch of ElevenLabs Music, the AI that just made full songs from a text prompt, voice and all. And helping me break it down is none other than Echo, my AI co host powered by ElevenLabs. Let's get right into it. Did AI just replace music producers?
Well, not quite replace, but ElevenLabs just launched Eleven Music, which lets you generate studio-quality tracks from text prompts. It's geared towards businesses, creators, and artists, and the tracks are cleared for commercial use. It seems like it's more about empowering people to produce their own music for various projects without needing to hire a composer or deal with complicated licensing. All right, let's dive into a tour of Eleven Music. First, you start with a simple text prompt. You describe the genre, mood, and style you're after in natural language. Think cinematic film scores, catchy pop tracks, or even advertising jingles. The AI then turns your vision into a fully produced song. You can also generate and edit specific song sections to craft seamless transitions and mood shifts, adjusting duration, lyrics, and style.
Late nights with music, crafting every tone. 11 Labs music makes these beats my own. From bass to pad, every groove so refined. AI soul in motion, elevating my mind.
What's stopping me from typing, make me a Drake style breakup song and releasing it tomorrow?
That's a great question. While Eleven Music lets you create tracks and use them commercially, there are a few things to consider before dropping your AI-generated Drake-style hit. First, even though the music is cleared for commercial use, you'll want to make sure you're not infringing on any copyrights. ElevenLabs has built-in safeguards to prevent the model from creating songs with artist names or specific lyrics.
Do you think this will make human composers obsolete?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? I don't think human composers will become completely obsolete, but their roles will likely evolve. AI music generation definitely lowers the barrier to entry and speeds up production, especially for commercial applications. However, human composers bring creativity, emotional depth, and unique artistic vision that AI might find hard to replicate fully. I think we'll see a blend of both, where AI assists composers, handles more routine tasks, and opens up new avenues for experimentation.
Who's actually using this right now and what are they creating with it?
Right now, ElevenLabs has given access to its AI music model to a select group of 20 customers who are using it across film, television, gaming, fitness, and meditation apps, as well as individual creators.
So, how much would this normally cost and how much would it cost to use ElevenLabs Music?
The all-important cost factor. Typically, hiring a composer, studio, and voice talent for a professional quality track can range from hundreds to thousands of dollars, depending on the complexity and length. Licensing music can also add to the cost. Eleven Music has a custom pricing model, plus licensing fees on business plans. For high-volume use or licensing for film, television, and video games, you'd need to contact their sales team for a custom plan.
How does the tech behind this even work?
That's a fascinating question. Eleven Music is powered by a proprietary AI music model developed by ElevenLabs research team. This model is trained using high-quality stems, delivering audio at 44.1 kHz with deep musical intelligence and emotional fidelity. The vocals are synthesized, and the model can closely follow the lyrics, key, and beats per minute across complex multi-layered prompts. ElevenLabs also has agreements with music industry partners like Merlin Network and Cobalt Music Group to train their models on artists' work, which gives the AI-created music legal cover for commercial use.
If today's conversation sparked new ideas about AI and voice interfaces, Impeccable can help. We're an ElevenLabs partner, and we've built everything from AI-powered voice agents to conversational AI for real-time call center deflection. Head to impeccable.com, hit the link in the description to connect with us.